I'm getting in that damn hole. My thing is I don't know how to read it.
You can see it, look, you can see it filling in toward the outside edge, right? When it fills up and it hits that edge is when you want to move on.
Yeah, okay.
You know, like you're only wanting to just fill that edge to that edge. So that's what will cause like too much heat too. But when I would kind of stay down here.
Yeah.
And then whip up here and watch it fill into this edge and then move on.
So you're doing circles towards the bottom?
Yeah.
Trying to go pretty fast forward then whip it back pretty quick.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You probably maybe could have come down a little more with it down through here.
Yeah.
Or would have had to like maybe bump up the heat. Yeah, that might have been a little overkill on the how far you went.
I can handle that.
I mean, the settings on that might not be right either, so I mean, it's hard for me to say without doing it. So, but yeah, you staying in that one spot though is probably what heated it up so much, man. It's crazy.
Well, good job.